Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Stayblowingminds. Today, I'll be hitting you guys with a Fashion Nova try-on haul. But before I get into that, let's talk about Fashion Nova and the BS, okay?
No need to say what I've been through. He already know what I'm into. He be reading my mind like it's simple. Got him thinking my line like it's his too. Never got away with no issues. He paid on time when I rent through. Made him ice down my neck and the wrist too.
I ordered a couple outfits, like 4 all-black outfits for my girlfriend's birthday, December 14th or whatever her birthday was, right? So, you know, Black Friday, was it Black Friday? Was it Black Friday? Oh, no, Black Friday, November, yes. Black Friday sale was booming, 50% off, whoop, 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 whatever. So, you know when you cash out on Fashion Nova and you're like, they give you like an estimate delivery date. So the estimate delivery date was like December 12th. So I was like, good, right in time, you know? Can I tell you, then it then changed to December 19th. I was like, all right, whatever. I'm missing my girlfriend's birthday deadline, but whatever. I get it. It's the rush hour time. Can I tell you that I never got this package till January 2nd? Fashion Nova, do better. Can I tell you, today is January 25th, and I still never opened the package. I was so annoyed, and then I was like, I don't got nowhere to go anymore, but I was just like, let me save this for you guys so I can do this amazing haul. So Fashion Nova, I'm not feeling it. Not saying I'm not going to fuck with Fashion Nova no more, because they be coming through with the fits, honey. But yeah, I just had to vent. Stay tuned. So I'm going to open the package on camera for y'all. Just make sure I'm not ripping my outfit. You never know with these things. There we go. Yeah, remind you, I said they're all black outfits because it was an all black season. I had a few all black events to attend, but sis had to push through and come through in something else, baby. So the first outfit is going to be the Sweet Revenge Velvet Mini Dress. And I try to buy Fashion Nova stuff in a size large only because, like, I prefer it to be a little big and I go get it altered than for it to be too small and then I'm looking like, no. So here we go. It's a velvet little piece. It stretches, guys. It has this little, it's not a tail, but it's like a front little, let's see how it looks on. I totally forgot the stuff that I purchased, so this is like new for me, just like it's new for you guys because it's been so long. But yes, and it's short. I don't really do short dresses a lot because my legs are pretty thick and I hate to be pulling down. So let's see when I try this velvet piece on, but it does stretch. It looks like it has an invisible zipper in the back. I don't really like invisible zippers too much. They're hard to pull up. But we shall see, guys. We shall see. Next. So the next dress will be the Sugar Coat Velvet dress, another velvet piece. Velvet is in right now, guys. Metallics, velvets, all of that type. Those things are really in, and that's my type of swag. So this is another velvet piece, all black. And it's long sleeves. It has like a nice little deep cleavage. I'm all about cleavage. And it has like a little knot in the front. Nice sexy little piece. Hopefully it looks as sexy when I put it on. Yes, and it has like, it looks like it has a little slit. This is it. Nice velvet fabric. Hopefully it's just as nice on. The next piece, oh sorry, that was, everything is in a size large. So if I don't remember to tell you what size, everything that I ordered is in a size large. The next dress is the Down For You Velvet Maxi dress. Here I am with all this velvet. Oh, I'm annoying like that. Here we go. And it's pretty long. And it has this little thing in the front, by the waist. Also stretches. I love these little pointy stuff in the boobies. Hopefully my boobies can stay in them. Yep. Last but not least, because I ordered 4 things, is the leather mini, Here I Come Poo leather mini dress. I like that name. Here I Come Poo leather made dress. So this is the only outfit that I bought that was not velvet. Let me see, and it's also in a large. So this is gonna keep me hot. But the bottom, it feels like it stretches. Ooh, I don't want to rip it. Dang, I kind of tugged it a little hard there. With a little collar, cute little casual beat. Going out for drinks with the girls, something like that, something like that. I like it. So stay tuned. Once I try on dress number 1, I'll be back. So this is our first little dress, and it's called the Sweet Revenge Velvet Dress. It's a little short, little mini. This is the back. Not too bad, and it has this little thingy here, but you gotta be careful with this little slit. It be rolling up, y'all. So, you know, cute for the little photos. Being extra, I'm practicing. When you guys try on your stuff, do you guys practice in the mirror, like how you're gonna pose? I'm just like practicing my poses in the mirror. So yeah, this is the first piece. Tell me what you guys think. It was a little number to zip up. I almost thought it wasn't gonna fit, but it came through. It came through fast and stuff. But there's something over here in the side that's like poking me. I think there's like a boning in here. You know what? See, I'm pulling down already. Pulling down. But yes, I love this little fit. Cute. I didn't bring any shoes today because that shit is tiring, changing shoes. And I can't even walk in the shoes. I'm like, so our second dress is the Down For You velvet dress. This was super easy to put on, slip up, but I do feel I need to start stitching my slits because I'm just exposed. And I need to do that Kim Kardashian titty trick. Keep these bad boys up because I'm a mother. Yes, I said it. But yep, this is the piece. The back is super simple. The back is not as short and revealing as the front, but it's a cute little piece. I'm enjoying it. Feels super nice. Stretches. So you could go size. I think the large is okay. I could have went a size up only because of the slit. Maybe because, you know, my lower half is a little thick. Maybe if I had a bigger size, the slit wouldn't be so out there. But yes, I'm feeling it, guys. Tell me if you're feeling it in the comments below. Dress number 2. So this is dress number 3. What the hell is it called again? The Sugar Coat Velvet Dress. Yes, that's what it's called. Actually, this is like my fave so far. I think maybe because the length, I'm used to longer dresses. It's just more flattering on your curves. You're not fixing so much. This also has a little slit, but this is a doable slit. It's not ridiculous. It's not thirst trapping. It's really nice. And the titties, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling this little, what do you call this? Sweetheart? What do you call these? When they're all the way down here. Like that sweetheart vibe. And I love this little buckle. Fashion Over You came through with this one. I'm feeling it. This is the back. Really nice. Really simple. And it doesn't have a zipper. So I had to literally just put it from my foot up. I heard a little kirk. But I was like, yeah. But it doesn't have a zipper in it. I don't put stuff over my head because my makeup is always getting on my stuff. So I try to put them over here. Unless it's really, really not stretchy, I have to put it over my head and then somebody has to help me. But I'm feeling this look. Can you see the whole thing? I didn't wear any shoes, but hopefully you can see how long the dress is. It's a little bit below my calf. So this is a nice cute little number. This is the thing that I love about Fashion Nova. Their pieces are quality pieces with not everything. Some things, like sometimes people are like, yo, where did you get that outfit from? I'm like, Fashion Nova, $60. 30% off. It's always a hit. So I appreciate you, Fashion Nova, although you played with me on the delivery. But I still appreciate you guys. Yes. Stay tuned for the last outfit, y'all. So this is the final dress. I love the dress. It's super flattering. Well, I'm not going to say super flattering because my butt looks a little flat. It's bringing down the look of shape. You feel me? But it still looks good. It's already sticking. I was trying to like pull it down. It's already, the leather's already sticking to my skin. It's making me hot. Honestly, it was a struggle to put on. My friend had to help me, and we just hear kirk, kirk, kirk. I was like, I should have went a size up. I should have went a size up just because of this area. I can't. You hear that? Jesus Christ. At least you get to see what I'm talking about. Anyways, I'm feeling the vibe. I love it. The up top fits really well. I don't know if it's supposed to have like a little, you know, baggy feel right here, but the bottom part is super tight. You can't chase nobody in this. They gotta chase you, baby girl. But yes, nice little number. So far, I'm loving all the pieces that I purchased. A few of them, maybe I should have went a size up, but overall, they went on, they fit. Tell me what you guys think about this Fashion Nova. Because remember last time I did my video, I said it was Fashion Nova and it was fully Pretty Little Thing. Because Pretty Little Thing be coming through too. But yes. Thank you for watching, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, boo. And please tell me in the comments what other type of videos you guys want to see. Go watch all my videos. I have my last try on haul, which was my boyfriend rates my Icon swim. You guys have been showing so much love. You guys love to see the Rasta man. I see that. I see y'all. Let's see if I can get him on here more often. But I appreciate all the support. Subscribe. I want to get to my 500 subscribers, and then next level, 1,000 subscribers. Get your girl paid, honey. Get your girl paid. Subscribe. I love you guys so much. See you in the next video. Guys, I thought that I would give you guys a little bonus clip. Let's talk about this beat. Let's talk about this sleigh. Okay? So you know already from my previous video, my wig was constructed by Just Be You Protective Crowns. Shout out to my girl, coming through all the time clutch with these wigs. Yes. And of course it was slayed by Hair by Cass. Don't try to book up all my appointments now, y'all. Y'all gotta leave some space for me, okay? Anyway, shout out her. Always laying these edges and these baby hairs. Let's talk about this beat. You know, I'm just wearing the basic, quick little, simple as. But the lashes now. Let's get into the lashes. Stayblowingminds collection. Yes. This is very new to our collection. It's called Exuberant. Please shop Exuberant right now. The link will be down below in the description bar. Newest collection. If you love obnoxious and you love arrogant, it's mixed in between. Nice and fluffy. Good quality lashes, guys. These last up to 30 wears, 25 to 30. Take care of them. Don't be using the hair glue on these, baby girls. Don't be doing it. Don't be doing it. Watch the sleigh. You can't say I don't put you guys on. I put you guys on my sleigh. I'm not a hater. I'll tell you guys what I did, what I do, and how I get it. Love you guys. Now I'm just sitting here sweating between my legs in this pleather, and I don't even know how I'm getting this off. Like, my friend's gonna have, like, I'm gonna have to lay on the floor and she's gonna have to pull me out head first. Like, it's sticking to my skin. Like, let me show you guys. Me I sweat. No, I gotta wear this outside in the winter. This is not summer, so I got tall. Me I sweat. Look, I'm titty sweating. Oh, you seen that? It splashed. Did you see that? I can't do it. I gotta put deodorant or baby powder underneath my titties. Like, make sure. Should I lick it? See if it's salty?
I'm logging off.
I'm done.
You need a